Accidents happen often in workplaces, which is why we made this video to promote safety. In this video, you'll see real incident clips and we'll explain what went wrong and how each accident could have been prevented. Every moment you see is a reminder that safety should always come first. Final scene, a worker stands too close to a spinning reel. A loose rope hooks his foot, and the rotating drum pulls him in. Rotating equipment has hidden dangers. Loose objects, clothing, or cables can be caught instantly. Always keep a safe distance. Clear the floor, and secure all loose items before going near any moving machine. In this clip, a worker steps onto a moving conveyor. Within seconds, the belt drags him forward. Conveyors look slow, but their pulling force is constant and powerful. Always turn off and lock out conveyors before maintenance or cleaning. Retrieving anything. Here, a worker reaches into a running rotary machine to grab a piece. Instantly, the machine grabs his sleeve and drags him inside. Rotating machinery should never be approached mid-operation. Always shut it down, lock it out, and wait until everything stops moving. This worker bends down beside a running machine to pick up an item, but his arm gets caught in the rotating drum. One moment of distraction is enough for moving parts to pull you in. Never reach near operating rollers. Always stop the machine fully. In this foundry video, molten metal spills during a pour, exploding across the floor at extreme temperatures. This usually happens when balance, temperature, or pour angle isn't controlled properly. Handling molten materials requires precision and full protective gear. No exceptions. Here, a worker tries fixing a problem while the machine is still running. The rotating parts grab his sleeve and pull him in within moments. Never adjust or repair equipment that's moving. Shut it down, lock it out, and wait for every part to stop completely. During this lift, the crane's cable can't support the weight. The load collapses and crashes toward the workers. They survive only because they react instantly. A second later, it could have been deadly. When handling cranes or heavy lifts, always confirm load capacity and keep a safe distance from the lift zone. In this scene, a worker leans inside a printing machine without turning it off. The cover shuts unexpectedly and traps him inside. Cleaning or repairs should never be done while a machine is running. Before entering any mechanical area, shut off the power and use lockout, tag-out procedures. Here, a worker steps under a large press to make an adjustment. Suddenly, the press cycles, trapping him underneath. No one should ever stand or enter under a press that's powered. Always use lockout/tag-out before checking or adjusting any heavy machinery. In this clip, a worker's hand gets trapped under a press machine. One quick mistake while the machine was still active led to the injury. Press machines release massive force in a fraction of a second. That's why two-hand controls and safety guards are installed. Never reach under a press unless the power is completely shut off and locked. The danger zone is unforgiving.